Now let us go ahead to what is called as a disjunction. It is a compound statement obtained by using the connective OR to join two statements. For example, 2 is a rational number or London is in India. So like conjunction, this is disjunction, and the symbol for disjunction is a V-like character, right? Now here we have to remember one point that in mathematical logic we use disjunction in the inclusive sense. That means both of the constituent statements in the disjunction can be true. Okay. Just to contradict this with what is called as the exclusive sense, what it means is, for example, in real life we come across a situation where when we say that either this or that, where we mean that both cannot be true simultaneously, but here in mathematics both of the possibilities also can be true for the disjunction to be true. Okay, so that is called as the inclusive sense. Now let's see what is the truth table of disjunction. Once again, here we have the same set of 4 possibilities of truth values of P and Q. The disjunction can be remembered as it is false only when both are false. Now if you remember the conjunction, it was true when both were true, and here in disjunction it is false when both are false. So similar to the series connection of two switches in conjunction, here we consider the parallel connection of two switches. Okay, so if two switches are connected in parallel and in a circuit which has a battery and a lamp, let's ask the question, when will the lamp glow? Now from the parallel arrangement it is clear that when either of the switches is closed, or maybe even both of the switches are closed, still in all those cases the lamp will definitely glow. Or the simpler way to remember is that the lamp will not glow only when both of the switches are open. So to translate that in terms of truth values, the disjunction is false only when both of the individual statements are false. So that is the quickest way to remember. So when either of the two statements is true, that makes the entire disjunction also to be true straight away, right? So let's go ahead and solve a question based on this, that is, express the following in symbolic form and write the truth value. Now here we have 12 is a prime number or 9 is a perfect square. So because of the OR, it makes it P or Q. So where P stands for the statement 12 is a prime number and Q stands for the statement 9 is a perfect square. Now let us see what are the truth values of the individual statements. 12 is a prime number. Is it true? It's not, because 12 is a composite number. So therefore the first statement is false. And the second statement is 9 is a perfect square, which is true. So since at least one of the individual statements is true, that makes the entire disjunction also to be true. Secondly, we have either Mumbai is in USA or New York is in India. So here let us call Mumbai is in USA to be statement P and New York is in India to be statement Q. And because of the word OR, it is clear that they are joined by a disjunction. So here we know that Mumbai is in USA is a false statement and New York is also not in India. So since both are false statements, that makes the disjunction to be a false statement.